how to redeem Google Play gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can redeem your Google Play gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically redeem your Google Play gift card, all you have to do is make sure that you launch your Google Play Store here, and then from here, first of all, make sure you are signed into the correct Google account where you want to redeem the gift card. Then make sure to tap your Google profile from the top right hand side of the screen, and then from here you'll find these options over here that says payments and subscriptions, so make sure to tap on payment and subscriptions. And as you do that, at the very top you'll find another option here that says redeem code, and all you have to do is tap the redeem code option, and then from here just make sure to enter your gift card code, tap the redeem option, and then you'll have successfully redeemed your gift card code. This way you can redeem your gift card code. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.